Hello everyone and welcome. Today, businesses face an unpredictable challenge managing and proving their commitment to environmental, social, and governance standards, otherwise known as ESG. Historically, collecting this data meant drowning in spreadsheets, chasing down department heads, and hoping your carbon calculations were accurate. That is exactly why we built Ecosphere. Ecosphere is an all-in-one platform designed to simplify ESG management. It lets you seamlessly measure your footprint, manage your compliance, and actively improve your global impact. Let's jump right in and take a look at how it works. The journey begins here at our secure login portal. Administrators, auditors, and officers are granted role-based access control. This ensures that sensitive environmental data, financial transactions, and employee records remain completely secure. We are now inside the organization dashboard. Think of this as your ESG command center. Right at the top, you get your overall ESG score, currently at strong 75 out of 100. Alongside your total enterprise carbon footprint measured in kilograms of CO2 equivalent, what makes Ecosphere unique is how it visualizes balance. If you look at this center radar chart, it maps out your score across all three pillars: environmental, social, and governance. This makes it instantly obvious where you are excelling and where your gaps lie. Scroll down a bit and we see a departmental leaderboard. Sustainability is a team effort, and this leaderboard shows you exactly how different units from engineering to human resources are performing against their specific ESG benchmarks. Now let's dive deeper into the E of the ESG by clicking over Environmental Dashboard. Here, the Ecosphere breaks down emissions into Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3, aligning perfectly with global standards like the GHG protocol, whether it's direct emissions from our facilities or indirect emissions from business travel. Every ounce of carbon is accounted for under emission factors and carbon transactions. Now, data is only useful if it drives action in our goals tab. We establish clear corporate targets like reducing carbon emissions by 25% by Q4 or hitting zero waste to landfills. The system tracks our progress dynamically. Moving to social and governance aspects, we have dedicated portals for CSR activities and policies. This is where we coordinate and track initiatives like community tree planting, literacy workshops, and workplace diversity drives. Meanwhile, the policies section serves as your compliance vault, ensuring your green guidelines and anti-corruption policies are up to date, signed, and structurally sound. Now, to keep compliance from becoming a Ecosphere introduces a robust gamification engine. Through challenges and rewards, employees earn experience points for adopting eco-friendly habits. This bridges the gap between executive targets and day-to-day employee behavior. When audit session rolls around, the audits and compliance issue tabs are lifesaver. Instead of panicking over paperwork, your auditors have a centralized, transparent of all environmental checks. Finally, the settings panel gives your administrators the power to customize ESG scoring formulas, adjust automated notification alerts,